it's me, Ryan, joined by Gabby and Sammy, who's behind the camera. And I've just got this pretty cool new remote control helicopter. It's a T11T series. It's made by iHeli. It's a metal version. And here it is. I'll just take it out of the toolbox. Ooh, it looks pretty good. It's done. It's got quite nice colours. Yeah. It's got all the cables and everything. Man, it's got 4 of them. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to test this thing today. It's got the remote, the antenna. So we're just going to run a few diagnostics to make sure that it's all good.
Power.
Check.
Signal.
Check.
Rotor.
Check.
Antenna.
Check.
Is there no wind in a clear sky?
Check.
Let's get started.
Alright. Wait a second. Restart.
What?
Wait for it to, guys. We're going to have to do this one more time. Because we need to make sure that it's